Let's talk about intersections. I know you can see this. You need to stop behind the stop line. If you go past this line, that is a minus. You will lose a point. And then after the stop line, there's your crosswalk. Intersections are the most dangerous place. Hopefully you're listening to me. You need to give me a thumbs up. Intersections are the most dangerous place because you have pedestrians going across. You have people coming up and making left turns. You have people making right turns. Let's pretend I'm coming up and making a right turn. Turn in the nearest lane. And if there's a stop sign that says stop, no right turn on red, if you blow that, automatic failure. That's another thing that beginning drivers do. Can I turn right on red? No, you've got to stop. Because if you don't stop, traffic has to green. They're going straight across your face. That is another potential failure area of beginning drivers. I'm giving you the real deal.